Exactly. Maxwrist videos are good to show you what not to do. I agree. Same thing with Maxi. Oh, we're going fast. We're going fast. At least those guys are. See how they're getting further and further away? And there it is. There it is. Oh. Secondary incident. This dude's just like, what happened? Another one? Too wide into a turn. Imagine if there was signage saying to slow down or this was a sharp turn, right? Interesting. All right, here we go. Here we go. We're riding. Okay. Anybody want to help me out with the kilometers per hour on this one? I don't know if that's correct. Maybe. Well, these people are going faster, decided to pass us up. Now, cornering is very, very dangerous for motorcyclists. So are intersections. So are a lot of things. But corners and intersections are a really big killer of motorcycle riders because we go too fast in corners. The thing with intersections, people turn out in front of us and there's multiple factors involved on that. The thing is, you guys are saying 110, 119, 120, around 115? Damn, they're going fast. The thing is, when it comes to the corners, speed is the factor. So these guys are hauling butt, right? And the people in front is actually hauling faster butt. So we have a blind corner right here. Okay, and I keep telling you guys, okay, this is as far as we could see. It's like, okay, well, the road keeps going. Why? The road doesn't just end there, Dan. It doesn't. But you're assuming that it's clear. You're assuming it's clear. And you're also assuming that you can take this corner at 120 miles an hour on a, I'm pretty sure, I don't know. A lot of people can. I've seen some baggers, Laguna Seca recently, so, but those are professional racers. This is an adventure bike. Now, a lot of the people up front that crash are on sport bikes, but the thing is, do you really think they have the advanced training from an advanced class? No. So this is all just based on what I've seen on the internet, so I'm gonna just try it out. And we went a little too wide. Hit right here. Now we're tumbling. Massive injuries. These guardrails and these pieces of wood are very strong. Very strong. You're just gonna get separated in half. There it is. And now we have a secondary incident of possibly crashing. Now, thankfully, this guy can actually get up and walk. Exactly. Maxwrist videos are good to show you what not to do. I agree. Same thing with Maxi. Just don't do what they do. It's basically what happens here all the time on these after action reviews. So you got to be very careful when it comes to that. Oof. Oof. Slow it down, guys. Slow it down. Slowly press and roll. Be as safe as possible. There's so many things that go into this, and here's the one thing that you could do to not even have this problem. Slow down. Just slow down. If you've been riding around without gear, well, you're not a very smart rider. Click the link in the description to enter to win hundreds of dollars in RevZilla gift cards. We're doing this every single month, so if you don't win right now, you can possibly win next month. But if you sign up as a tier 1 to tier 4, you get my ebook for free too. Check it out. Link is in the description. Link is in the description. Click, click, click. Link in description.